Get ready for a jaw-dropping experience. OpenAI has recently introduced DALLE-3, a groundbreaking text-to-image generator that outshines its predecessor, DALLE-2. Exciting news, it's set to be available to paid ChatGPT members soon. But, here's the scoop, I've got a little secret for you. You can actually get free access to DALLE-3, no need to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. Yes, you heard it right, free access. Now, let's get right into the juicy details. To experience the sheer awesomeness of DALLE-3, simply follow these steps. First, open your browser and type in Bing Image Creator. Click on the first link that appears. For those of you not familiar with this nifty tool, the Bing Image Creator is an AI-powered image generator created by Microsoft Bing. The best part? It's accessible to everyone. By using the Bing Image Creator, you automatically receive 25 boosts for one day. Don't worry if you think that's all you get. Those boosts are only needed to generate images quickly. Once they run out, you can keep generating images for free. Pretty sweet deal, right? Now, let's put DALLE-3 to the test. An illustration of an avocado sitting on a therapist's chair saying "I just feel so empty inside" with a pit-sized hole inside its center. The therapist, a spoon, scrambles notes. And let's generate. That's the same prompt OpenAI showcased on their website. The result was mind-blowing. The image generated perfectly captured the prompt's essence, with the avocado expressing, "I just feel so empty inside." Not only did it nail the text, but every detail mentioned in the prompt was flawlessly incorporated, from the therapist's spoon to the scrambled notes. Impressive, to say the least. But wait, there's more. I also tried another prompt, an illustration of a young boy holding board with the text, "Jai Ganesha." DALLE-3 didn't disappoint. It didn't just generate the text, but also captured the emotional tone, presenting a series of images by capturing innocence of a young boy. The consistency in the images was astonishing. DALLE-3's understanding of prompts goes beyond expectation. For those craving photorealistic images, DALLE-3 delivers. I tested it by prompting a close-up photograph of a colorful butterfly on a flower, crisp and textured with high detail. The results were breathtaking. The generated images showcased unparalleled detail, from the colors of butterfly to the intricate of flowers. Each image felt like it belonged in a cinematic masterpiece. Truly remarkable. If you're enjoying this video, hit like and subscribe. Your support fuels the excitement. Of course, I couldn't resist experimenting with human portraits. I prompted DALLE-3 to create a close-up photograph of a beautiful girl with blue eyes, textured skin, and brown hair. The results are awesome, highly detailed. The software struggled a bit with achieving true photorealism, but there's no denying the intricate level of detail it managed to capture. If you're unsure how to craft a compelling prompt for generating incredible AI images, check out Scribion.com. It's a user-friendly, free AI tools platform offering over 70 AI templates for text content generation. After signing up, navigate to the dashboard, select the Templates option from the menu, and find the AI Image Prompt Generator template. Simply input keywords like male cartoon character, hit Generate Text, and you'll receive 5 prompts. Copy and paste these prompts to generate amazing images. I've personally used this method and created some fantastic images with the prompts from Scribion. Here are some of them. DALLE-3 is quite impressive, although it doesn't match up to midjourney in creating super realistic human portraits. However, DALLE-3 stands out with its amazing ability to generate text-based content. It's definitely a powerful tool to consider. Now that I've shown you how to access DALLE-3 for free using the Bing Image Creator, go out and explore the vast potential of this cutting-edge technology. I hope you found this video both helpful and thrilling. Subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video.